Below is a very detailed textbook-style explanation of Heather. Norethindrone 0.35 milligrams, suitable for pharmacology exams, nursing notes, or clinical reference. Heather, Norethindrone. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Norethindrone, brand name Heather. Drug class, progestin, hormonal contraceptive, progestin-only oral contraceptive, mini pill. Drug form, oral tablet strength, 0.35 milligrams norethindrone per tablet. Definition. Heather is a progestin-only oral contraceptive used for the prevention of pregnancy. Unlike combined oral contraceptives, it does not contain estrogen, making it suitable for women who cannot tolerate or are contraindicated for estrogen therapy. 3. Mechanism of action. Heather prevents pregnancy through multiple mechanisms. 1. Cervical mucus thickening. Progestin increases viscosity of cervical mucus, prevents sperm penetration into the uterus. 2. Endometrial changes. Causes thinning and atrophy of the endometrium, reduces likelihood of implantation. 3. Ovulation suppression. Suppresses luteinizing hormone LH surge. Ovulation inhibition is inconsistent compared to combined pills. Primary mechanism, cervical mucus thickening. 4. Pharmacokinetics absorption. Rapidly absorbed after oral administration. Bioavailability is high. Distribution. Extensively protein-bound. Albumin, sex hormone-binding globulin, crosses placental barrier. Excreted in breast milk. Small amounts. Metabolism. Metabolized in the liver via CYP450 enzyme system. Half-life, approximately 8 to 10 hours. Excretion via urine and feces as metabolites. 5. Uses. Contraception. Alternative for women who are breastfeeding, have estrogen contraindications, have thromboembolic risk, experience estrogen-related adverse effects. Indications. Heather is indicated for pregnancy prevention in women of reproductive age, postpartum contraception, contraception in smokers over age 35, patients with hypertension, migraines, or diabetes where estrogen is not advised. 7. Contraindications. Heather should not be used in patients with known or suspected pregnancy, active or history of breast cancer, severe hepatic impairment, liver tumors, benign or malignant, undiagnosed abnormal vaginal bleeding, hypersensitivity to norethindrone. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use caution in patients with history of ectopic pregnancy, breast disease, depression or mood disorders, diabetes mellitus, liver disease, irregular menstrual cycles. Breastfeeding, considered safe, does not significantly affect milk production. Smoking does not increase cardiovascular risk as estrogen pills do, but smoking cessation is still recommended. 9. How to use. Take 1 tablet orally every day. Must be taken at the same time each day. No placebo or pill-free interval. Start next pack immediately after finishing the previous pack. Timing is critical. Delay 3 hours increases pregnancy risk. 10. Dosing information. Adult dose, 0.35 milligrams orally once daily. Starting Heather, day 1 of menstrual cycle, preferred. Immediately postpartum, especially breastfeeding. If starting later in cycle, use backup contraception for 48 hours. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, if more than 3 hours late, take pill immediately. Use backup contraception for 48 hours. If vomiting or severe diarrhea occurs, consider dose missed. Use backup contraception. Overdose. Symptoms: vomiting, vaginal bleeding, treatment, supportive care, no specific antidote, generally non-life-threatening. 12. Stop or avoid taking. If discontinue Heather if pregnancy occurs, severe abdominal pain, possible ectopic pregnancy, jaundice or signs of liver dysfunction, new breast lump, severe depression or mood changes. 13. Side effects. Common side effects: irregular menstrual bleeding, spotting or amenorrhea, headache, nausea, breast tenderness, dizziness, acne, serious, rare ectopic pregnancy, breast cancer, ovarian cysts, liver dysfunction. 14. Vital information, patient education. Must be taken daily without interruption. Missing doses significantly reduces effectiveness. Does not protect against STIs or HIV. Backup contraception required with missed doses or interacting drugs. Fertility returns quickly after stopping. 15. Other drugs will affect Heather. Drug interactions, drugs that reduce effectiveness. These increase hepatic metabolism of norethindrone. Rifampin, rifabutin, antiepileptics, phenytoin, carbamazepine, phenobarbital, topiramate, St. John's wort, certain antiretrovirals, clinical impact, reduced contraceptive effectiveness, increased risk of unintended pregnancy. Recommendation, use non-hormonal backup contraception. Consider alternative contraceptive methods if long-term interacting drugs are required. Thank you. Have a nice day.